Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Unico Hotel out in Montego Bay. Now this development didn't have any damage or slight damage from the passage of the hurricane. And as you can see, it's being built right by the sea. Now this is a luxury development taking place out here. This area of Montego Bay is going to have four massive hotels. The Unico, which is the one we're looking at under construction. To the left is going to be the 33th floor Moon Palace. And to the right of the Unico is going to be the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And then to the right of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is there's a hotel out there already. You can see it in the background. And also between the Unico and the Moon Palace, they're going to be building a 1,000 room building. I'm sorry, a structure with 1,000 apartments. And those apartments are going to be for hotel workers. So we're going to have actually 5 mega developments out here. Okay, right where we're looking at now, that's the only damage that the development suffered from the hurricane. Looks minor. Just looks like something fell off. I think somebody had said, I'm not sure if somebody had said a crane had hit it or, but as you can see, it's minor damage compared to the rest of the hotel. And this is actually the front of the hotel. The front faces the sea, and there you can see the swimming pool. Looks like, not sure what that is at the top. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. And this hotel is scheduled to open early 2026. It's going to have 451 rooms. But guys, you notice how massive this development is. So these are going to be some ultra luxury rooms. But those two towers are extremely tall. And this hotel is well laid out. That's the Northern Coastal Highway, that the road that we're looking at in the background. And to the top right, that's where they're going to be building the 1,000 room apartment complex. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.